Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete specific record from table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler. So by using this query, we are going to create table employee, and by using this query, we are going to add data in table. Now you see insert into employee value of 1. So this is our ID. So this is our name and this is our department, and then we are going to display all record, and then we are going to delete specific record. Now write here delete and then write from, then write employee table, table name, then write here where. So where is condition, and then you can add column name, employee ID, name, department. Now you see column name, so you can add according to requirement. So we are going to add column name employee ID, and then add equal. Now you see ID 1 or 2, so you can add ID according to requirement like 1, then add semicolon. If you want to add name, then add column name, then add equal, then write inverted comma like this, and then add name. So it's up to you. If you want, you can delete record from ID, or if you want, you can delete record from name, but using ID only one record delete. If you want to use name, then all record deleted which has same name. Now add 1 semicolon. So we are going to add another query to display record after deletion. Now you see select static from employee. Now copy this and now paste here. You will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see employee ID column 1, and then you see run, so click on it, and then you see output, and then you see status successfully executed, table created by using this query, 1 row created, another row created. Now you see 2 insert query, and then you see select static from employee or record 1 2 record we have, and then you see 1 row deleted by using this query, and then you see another table again. Now you see employee ID, name, department. So after deletion we have 1 record left. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.